Wait, hold up. Can you believe these are 3D Mink lashes and they were only $1 at Dollar Tree? And they're cruelty free and vegan. Say no more. Hey guys, my name's Tamar and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and trying on these beautiful lashes. The packaging was so beautiful when I got it at the Dollar Tree. And I literally said, hey, why not try them? They're super soft. And I'm going to be using tweezers for this because I am a beginner. I'm not an expert at putting on lashes at all because I don't wear lashes. But people that do wear lashes are super cool because they look cute. Eyelash glue stinks. Let me know in the comments down below if you think the same thing. And I'm not alone. Now I'm waiting for 15 to 20 seconds to let the eyelash glue get tacky so that it can stick to my eyelid. After I feel like my tweezers are correct, here I go. But then I end up finding a long piece of hair hanging from the lashes, so I had to take that off really quick. Now we're back. Now let me know down below if you make these types of faces when doing your lashes, because I feel like I do it every time. This was harder than it looks, but I ended up getting the lashes onto my eyes. And here we go. Here's the finished look. Let me know down below if you like these lashes. Go to Dollar Tree. I will from now on. And yeah, I look cute. Here's the product, and I give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you. Bye.